In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrow in Squarespace. If you want to place an arrow icon in your Squarespace header navigation, this is a quick and simple customization you can make right inside the editor. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can find the setting easily and make the change without guessing where anything is. To begin, open your Squarespace site and go to the page where you want to update the header. Once you're there, click Edit Header. This opens the header editing panel, where you can control the layout and appearance of the elements that show at the top of your website. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure your cursor is hovering near the header area so the editable controls appear. Next, click Navigation. This section contains the settings related to how your menu or navigation actions are displayed in the header. Depending on your site setup, the navigation panel may include links, buttons, or other header elements, so take a moment to identify the item you want to customize. After that, click the pencil icon to edit. The pencil icon usually means you're about to modify the specific navigation element itself, rather than the entire header. This is useful because it lets you make targeted design changes without affecting other parts of the site. Once the edit window opens, click Design. This is where Squarespace gives you appearance-related options for that navigation item. You may see settings for size, style, alignment, or icons, depending on your template version, but for this tutorial, the main thing you need is the icon setting. Now click Icon. This will open the available icon choices for that navigation element. If your goal is to visually indicate direction, movement, or a call to action, adding an arrow is a clean and effective choice. It can help draw attention and make a button or menu item feel more intentional. From the list of available icons, select the arrow icon. Once you choose it, the change should appear in the preview so you can see how it looks in the header right away. If needed, take a quick moment to review the placement and make sure it matches the style of your site. And that's it. You've successfully added an arrow icon in Squarespace. After confirming everything looks the way you want, be sure to save your changes. This is a small update, but it can make your navigation look more polished and visually clear.